Hi, how are my students, grade 3A and B? Good morning or good evening. Today we will start our video more about perimeter and area, and today we will use our mathematics student book. The topics we will talk about today: how to measure the length of sides of polygons in centimeters, and how to calculate the perimeter of polygons in centimeters, how to explain why perimeter is a linear or distance measurement, and how to estimate the perimeters of polygons in centimeters. Okay, today we will talk about the first three lessons of chapter 5. It's easy. Let's go. As we said before, we will use our mathematics student book. Let's practice about linear measurement. Take out your mathematics student book and turn to page lesson 41. Apply. Our directions here for each shape law do the following. Measure and record each of the side lengths of the quadrilaterals by using your ruler, and then label the units. Okay, I have here a rectangle and I will use our ruler. My version is PDF, your version railbook papers. So my measurement it will be different from your measurement. Be careful when you measure, and record your measurement, not what I write now. Okay. Let's start here. How to measure the length of any side. I put the zero of our ruler on the first point of our side, and the end point of this side. It will tell us what is the length of the side. So here 5 centimeters, and here, yes, it's end at 3 centimeters. So yes, as it's the same page, but here I wrote the label of each side by the number of centimeters, and I wrote the units. The unit we use centimeter. Okay. I found the length of each. This side is 5 centimeters, and this side 5 centimeters, this side 3 centimeters, and this side 3 centimeters by using ruler. Yes. Okay. So the perimeter of this rectangle, Ms. Shema said before, to get the perimeter, please add all the length, the side lengths together. So I wrote here 5. Yes. Yes, 5 centimeters plus 5 centimeters as it, and 3 centimeters plus 3 centimeters as it. So the total I have, yes, 16 what? Centimeter. Okay. The same steps I will repeat here in this shape. What is this shape? This shape is rhombus. This shape is rectangle. Okay. This shape is rhombus. Okay. By my ruler again. By my ruler, I put the zero here in the first of the side, the first point of the side, and the end point of the side tell me the length of this side is 4 centimeters. My version different. Okay. I use PDF version. You use a rail book. Please make your measurement. Okay. here I found 4 centimeters, and this Miss Shayma rhombus has 4 equal sides, so 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters, and 4 centimeters. Okay, to get the perimeter, Miss Shayma add all of them together. Okay, 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 16 centimeters. Okay, Miss Shayma. Page number 120 have 2 another shapes. Have trapezium, and parallelogram. Please solve it or solve them by yourself. Take turns measuring, and make sure record your answer in your book. Okay? Okay. You will get the measure of the measurement of each side, and then label your answer here, and then get the perimeter. Repeat these steps again in parallelogram. Okay? Okay. Now our time for math journal. Yes, reflect on your learning. Are you remember? Okay. Okay. Here, reflect on your learning about perimeter. Think about how you found the perimeter of the shapes today. Today and yesterday we talked about perimeter. We found the perimeters of polygons by measuring and adding up the side lengths of the polygons together. It's easy. Measure and add the length of all the sides together. 3 sides, 4 sides, 5 sides, any number of sides. Add all the lengths together to get the perimeter. Okay? Okay. The second part of this math journal, why is perimeter is a linear measurement. Write your thoughts in the box below. Why perimeter is a distance, not a space. Area is a space, but perimeter is distance. Why distance? Okay, to answer about this question, you can cut a piece of string, and use it to trace. To what? Trace. Yes, your figure all around the rectangle, this rectangle, and it should fit exactly. No more and no less. No more and no less. We will find our piece of string shows us the length of the perimeter. Yeah, it's if it 4, and here 4, and here 4, and here 4. Miss Shayma, we will get the length of this string. 12 be 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. Yes, 16. The length of string tell us or shows us the length of the perimeter. So when we added up all the lengths to have one linear measurement, when we make it stretch and show it as a one string, one piece of a string, we will get the distance of our perimeter all the way around the shape. Okay? Okay. You can do it by drawing. You can do it by another words, as you like. Okay, it's your reflection. Okay. Okay. Here, lesson 42. This page we solved it before in our live session. Our directions here. Look at the shapes below. Circle the shapes that are polygons and cross out the shapes that are not polygons. Before it, please remember the definition of polygon. Polygon is closed figure formed by at least 3 straight lines, closed straight lines, and its sides don't cross. It's cross. The polygon don't cross. Okay, so I will cross out this figure. Okay, and has no curves. Polygon has no curves. Again, closed straight lines, no curves. Okay. Let's start the first shape. Yes, Miss Shema, it's pentagon. It's polygon. Okay, pentagon is polygon. Why? Closed straight lines and no curves. Okay. Here, Miss Shema, it's not polygon. Why? Open. And here, curves. Here, cross. Here, curves. Yes. All of them I will cross out. Yes, cloud and cloudness. Cross out. Here has curves. Here is a curve, closed curve. Circle is closed curve, so it's not polygon. Here, polygon. Parallelogram polygon. Rectangle polygon. And this shape polygon. Here, yeah, Miss Shema, it has small curves, so it's not polygon. Okay, let's continue. Here in page number 125, we have a lot of directions here, but it's easy. I have here a lot of shapes. He said to me here, choose 2 polygons from the connect page and carefully cut them out. Glue the 2 shapes. Glue. I choose. Miss Shema, choose pentagon and parallelogram. I take it copy paste. You will cut and glue. Okay. Pentagon and parallelogram. Okay, glue the 2 shapes. Glue. I did it. Okay, write the name of each polygon in the lines blue. Yes, I choose pentagon, so I wrote pentagon. Okay, I choose parallelogram, so I wrote parallelogram. You can choose rectangle. Perfect. Okay, don't choose these 2 shapes. Okay, because of their names don't exist in this curriculum for you for this year. Okay, or for this term. So yes, I choose pentagon and parallelogram and wrote their names here. Okay. Measure and record the length of each side of polygon. 1. Be sure to label your measurements. Label measurements mean wrote the unit you used in your measurement. We used here centimeters, so we wrote 3 centimeters, 6 centimeters. Okay. Here when I measure the sides of this pentagon, I found that each side has 3 centimeters. Okay, your measurement different. Okay, your version different from my version. Okay. Here, and when I measure the sides of this figure or parallelogram, I found each side of the short sides has 3 centimeters, and each side of the long sides has 6 centimeters. Okay. Then find the total perimeter of polygon 1 and polygon 2 and record it on the chart on the next page. Here I will find the perimeter of each polygon. Okay, the first polygon I choose, yes, has 5 sides. Each side has 3 centimeters. So the perimeter of pentagon equals 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 15. Okay, Miss Shema. What about parallelogram? Parallelogram has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. 2 long sides, each side has 6 centimeters, and 2 short sides, each side has 3 centimeters. So the perimeter of parallelogram equals 6 plus 6 plus 3 plus 3 equals 18 centimeters. Okay, finished? No, we have another direction. What is the difference between the 2 polygons? Perimeters. Show your work. Okay, Miss Shema. About parallelogram, we found 18 centimeters. Pentagon, 15 centimeters. So, Miss Shema, the perimeter of parallelogram biggest than or greatest than the perimeter of pentagon. 18 more than 15. So, perimeter of parallelogram greatest or greater than the perimeter of pentagon. Okay, what is the difference? To get the difference, please make a subtraction equation. The greatest number minus the smallest number. 18 minus 15 equals 3. 3 what? 3 centimeters. Okay. Okay, this page again. Why? Okay, now page number 27 and 28. We will solve them together. Okay, in 127 we have 4 shapes. We have pentagon, trapezium, square, and triangle. Okay, follow the steps or directions in page 128. First step, look at the pentagon, trapezium, square, and triangle. Look at them. Look at them carefully. Okay. Then estimate the perimeter of each shape. Write your estimates below. I remember estimation. When we make estimate of each number or length or anything, we think about it without real tools. Imagine a centimeter rule in your brain. Imagine. Okay? Ms. Shema said about the pentagon, about this figure. Ms. Shema said this side about 4 centimeter. Mira said no, 5 centimeter, Ms. Shema. Okay, Mira. Yusuf said no, Ms. Shema, it's 6 centimeter. Okay, Yusuf. Ahmad said no, Ms. Shema, it's 4 centimeters. As you said, thanks, Ahmad. Each one of us has a vision, has estimation. Okay, all of you, it's okay. And we will record our estimation here, and then we will see what happened after this. Okay. Pentagon, 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. I estimate this side is 4, and all of the sides of this pentagon equal. So I said the perimeter of this pentagon is 20 centimeters. I said this. You said another thing. Okay, as you like, as you see, as your vision. Okay. Okay, you will repeat this step for trapezium and square and triangle, and then Write the names of the shapes in order from smallest estimated perimeter to greatest estimated perimeter. Okay, from smallest to greatest. Okay, Miss Shema, in page 128. In page 128 again, we have step number 3. Step number 2, we make a measurement, estimation. But in step number 3, we need exact perimeter. In exact perimeter, we will use real tools. We will use real tools. Okay, Miss Shema. Here, we will use our ruler and measure each side. Okay, and wrote the exact length of each side here. About pentagon, yes, pentagon. I make my ruler, I use my ruler and measure this side. I get it 5 centimeters, not 4 centimeters. By ruler, 5 centimeters. So I wrote 5 centimeters. And I found again all of the sides are equal. So I wrote 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. So finally I get the perimeter is 25 centimeters. Oh, the exact perimeter 25 centimeters for the pentagon, not 20 centimeters. It's estimated perimeter. This is exact perimeter. Okay, what is the difference between them? 25 here and here 20 centimeters. So the difference about 5 centimeters. Okay, and you will repeat again this step for trapezium and square and triangle to get the exact perimeter. The last step we will talk today. We will take today. Write the names of the shapes in order from smallest actual or exact perimeter to greatest actual or exact perimeter. Okay, so the step number 1 and step number 2 talk about estimated perimeter. Step number 3 and step number 4 talk about, yes, exact or actual perimeter. Okay, that's enough today. Thank you for joining my lesson today, my class, online class today. See you soon. Please solve your this lessons in your book and send it to me through Wendigo. Okay, bye, goodbye.